How to make titanium step by step.
Firstly, cement mortar must be cut on the concreted floor. It is preferable to put it in the ratio of 1:4 or 1:5, cement, sand. Then the skirting should be made ratio of 1:4 or 1:5, cement, sand.
Before applying the titanium solution, the applied cement mortar should dry well. The titanium solution should be applied to the skirting before it is applied to the floor. Subscribe us, Incredible Moments.
Thus, the titanium solution should be applied twice on the skirting. Then, rub the surface well with sandpaper. Then, the sealer solution should be applied well on the treated surface.
After the first coat dries, the second coat should be applied. Subscribe us, Incredible Moments.
When the sealer is applied on the floor, the sealer clear coat should be applied again on the skirting.
Spraying water will fix the titanium well. Titanium bathroom.
You can see how the work is done in the next video. How to prepare titanium solution.
Chemical solution should be added to the titanium powder in the right proportion and mechanically mixed well.
Then, the first layer should be applied on the floor. Subscribe us, Incredible Moments.
The thicker the coating, the easier it is to apply.
After the first coating is done, surface should be smoothed mechanically well. To apply the clear coat sealer, the dust must be removed first.
After applying the first clear coat,
preparing the floor to apply the second coat.
for this also the titanium solution should be prepared as before. The second coat is applied and finished.
Surface should be smooth, well mechanically, as before.
After cleaning the floor well, seal a clear coat should be applied.
After this first sealer application, sealer should be applied twice more again. After that, wax polish should be applied.
After applying the wax polish, it should be polished while using a polisher machine.
For this, not only wax, clear coat and glass coat solutions can be used.
Finished look. Thanks for watching.